Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Crypto Real with Anne. So another Pinay trader from the Philippines, and I just wanted to give you an update about Doge. But before that, shout out to my HBDC family, Boss C, Boss King, kay Betch, and kay LJ from UK. Yun. So, hello sa inyong lahat. So again, as I've said, I just wanted to give an update about Doge in our last video on January 3. Doge was trading at 0.33. Today is January 5. Time check 9:46. And nagkaroon tayo ng breakout today. Was it today or yesterday? Actually, yesterday ata. So dito tayo last time, January 3 sa area na to. And as you can see, ang laki ng itinaas niya. So, from 0.33 to, umabot siya hanggang 0.39. 39, almost 40 eh. So, I think na-mention ko yun na yun yung resistance level natin. Let's go. By the way, with stochastic RSI at 4 hour, bumaba siya. Same thing with RSI. Let's go with the Bollinger Band. So, with Bollinger Band, kung magkaroon man na, ayun, yun yung resistance talaga around that area, 0.40 area, 41. It could go higher in a few days. So, let's go with the 1 hour. There, ito kitang-kita siya dun sa Bollinger Bands natin. So, sa upper band, dito talaga yung resistance niya. Okay? So, this is the one day. For the stochastic RSI, nasa taas siya. Same with RSI. And then, let's check the 1 week. Ito yung magandang picture kasi ng Doge. If you can see, this is a morning star pattern, which is a signal of a potential price increase. So when we say morning star, okay, let's check yung meaning ng morning star pattern, okay? Just to make sure lang. Ang ganda nitong pattern na to kasi ito yung magandang aralin yung candle patterns talaga eh. Kung swing trader, day trader, maganda siyang aralin. Okay, so let's go with the what is a morning star? Okay, so it says here, a morning star is a visual pattern consisting of 3 candles that are interpreted as bullish signs by technical analysis. Okay. So, when you say morning star, let's go with the first candle. Yung first candle niya, bearish, which is this candle. Itong malaking red na to. Yan yung bearish candle niya. And then, yung second candle, small siya compared to the others. Like, it's a doji candle. Ito yung candle na to. Let's go with this one. Itong candle na to. Nasa gitna nitong red na to. And then, itong green na to. Yung third candle is bullish. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi ng morning star. And it's a good sign. Okay? So, meron pa siyang itataas. I am predicting na pwede siyang umabot dito sa level na to. Or itry ulit na umabot sa area ng 0.46, around 47. May week siya. So, we're gonna see, in a few days siguro. Kasi malapit na yung inauguration ni Trump. So, ito yung inaabangan talaga ng isa sa mga coins na binabantayan ng maraming crypto investors. Crypto fans. So, yun. Yun lang yung gusto kong i-update. Medyo ang laki ng itinaas natin from January 3 to till today. 'Di ba? So, kung swing trader ka and napanood mo yung video ko, if you were able to watch that video, gain ka na. So, yun lang. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Please